Morning, children. Welcome to ninth Standard Social Science History Unit 3 Early Tamil Society and Culture. Society in Sangam Age. Many of the communities of the Iron Age society were organized as tribes. Some of them were chiefdoms. The Sangam Age society was a society in transition from a tribal community ruled by a chief to a large kingdom ruled by a king. Women. Women are frequently referred to in Tamil text as mother, heroines, and first mother. Women from Panar families, dancers, poetess, and royal women were all patriarch in Sangam literature. There are references to women protecting thinai fields from birds and women selling salt, showing that women were involved in primary production. Insistence where the women preferred to die along with their husbands also occurred in the literature of that times. Economy. The economy was mixed as elaborated in Thinai concept. A people practiced agriculture, petroleum, trade and money exchange, hunting, gathering and fishing depending upon the ecozones in which they lived. Primary production. Agriculture was one of the main source of the subsistence crops like paddy, sugarcane, millets were cultivated. Both wet and dry lands farming were practiced in the riverine and tank irrigated areas. Paddy grains collected from Porundal excavation. Different types of pottery from Porundal excavations. Pottery. Pottery was practiced in many settlements. People used pottery produced by Kalmexico potters in their daily activities and so they were made in large numbers. Black ware, russet, coated painted ware. Black and red ware, potteries were the different types of pottery used. Stone ornaments. Sangam age people adorned themselves with a variety of ornaments. Terracotta seal with rich husk impression Kiradi. A map of the major Sangam age site. Look at the map here. Chera, Pandya and Cholas. Iron swords from Puducherry. This is also evidence for the Sangam people lifestyle. The carnelian beds with designs of Sangam age. Gold ornament axe, gold pendant, Porundal. Gold ornaments Pattinam, gold ornaments Pattinam, glass beds, pearl fishery and shell bangles. Glass beds from Porundal excavation. Glass beds of the presence of the glass beds at the site reveals of that. People of the Sangam age knew that How to make glass beds. Pearl fishery and shell bangles. The Pamban coast is the famous for pearl fishery. A pearl has been discovered in the recently excavated Keeladi site. Shell bangles were very common in the Sangam age. Exchange trade merchants. Trade routes where we saw the primary production of the grains, cattle, wealth, and various commodities. These goods were not produced by everybody and were not produced in all settlements. Look at the map here also. Tamil Nadu to Red Sea coast in Indian jar with the 7.5 kg of pepper teakwood. The pot shed with the Tamil Brahmin inscription and Indian pottery have been discovered at Pernilan, a port of the Red Sea coast of Egypt. Emergency of towns and ports. The Sangam age saw the first urbanization in Tamilagam. Cities developed and they had brick buildings, roof tiles, ring wells, and plant towns and street and store houses. The towns worked as ports and artisanal centers. Arikemedu, Kaveri Pumbettinam, Alagankulam and Korkai on the east coast and Pattinam in Kerala were port center. Kanjipuram, Orayur, Karur, Madurai and Kodamanal were inland trade centers in that period. Kodamanal in Tamil Nadu is located near Erode in Tamil Nadu and is identified with the Kodumanam of Padittu. Evidence of ironstone bed and shell work as well as megalithic burials have been